You buy a health insurance policy with 10 lakh rupees sum insured and you think this should easily cover any treatment I might need. But then you get a hospital bill for a simple cataract surgery worth just 65,000 rupees. Your insurer says, we'll pay 50,000 rupees, the rest is on you, we are sorry. What? That's because your policy had something called a disease-wise sublimit, and most people don't even realize it until the bill arrives. Hello everyone, I'm Shashank from Ditto, and in today's episode of Health Insurance 101, we're going to break down what disease-wise sublimits are and why they exist and how they can quietly eat into your claim even if your sum insured is high. And if you want help reviewing your current plan or finding one without these sneaky limits, you can book a free call with Ditto. Link is in the description. Now, let's start with the basics. What is a disease-wise sublimit? It's a cap set by your insurer on how much they'll pay for specific treatments or surgeries, no matter how much total coverage you have. It's like your office telling you that you can have a team outing, but they'll only pay rupees 20,000, and if it goes above, everyone on the team has to bear it from their own pocket. Medically speaking, let's take a look at some costs. Cataract surgeries, 50,000 rupees per eye. Knee replacement, 1.5 lakh rupees per knee. Hernia or gall bladder surgery, 50,000 rupees. So even if your policy covers 5 lakh rupees or 10 lakh rupees overall, the insurer will only pay up to that sublimit for certain procedures. Now, how does this play out in real life? Let's say you need cataract surgery and your policy has a 50,000 rupee sublimit, but the hospital charges 65,000 rupees. Your 10 lakh coverage doesn't help here. Why do insurers add these sublimits in the first place? Let's understand. To prevent overcharging on standard procedures, to keep premiums lower, and because many of these treatments are planned or non-emergency in nature. But here's the thing, these limits don't adjust for inflation. What does that mean? So what covered a surgery 5 years ago may fall short today. Now, where do you commonly see these sublimits? Treatments like cataract, hernia, kidney stone removal, joint replacement, piles, sinus issues, gallbladder, prostate tonsils, all of these basically the usual suspects that are minor but frequent. There are two types of sublimits you might see. A fixed amount like 1 lakh rupees for a knee surgery or percentage of your sum insured like 10% for cataract. And there's one more clause that works just like sublimit. It's called reasonable and customary charges clause. This allows insurers to limit payouts based on the average cost of a treatment in your city. So if your hospital charges 4 lakh rupees for a surgery, but the standard cost in your city is 2.5 lakh rupees, your insurer may pay only 2.5 lakh rupees and you pay the rest. The reasonable and customary clause primarily applies to reimbursement claims because the insurer will have already set predetermined rates when you opt for cashless treatments with a network hospital. But it's still important to be aware of it as it's a way for insurers to prevent overcharging. That said, if the higher treatment cost is medically justified, for instance, due to complications or the use of specialized equipment as advised by a treating doctor, the insurer may choose to waive this clause and approve the full claim amount. So, what should you do when choosing a policy? Look for plans with no disease-wise sublimits. Read the fine print, or better yet, ask Ditto to help you read it. And if your budget allows, pay a bit more for comprehensive inflation-proof coverage, especially if you're buying for senior citizens or have family members who might need surgery down the line. Because no one wants to hear, sorry sir, there's a disease-wise sublimit. Now, if you want help understanding whether your plan has sublimits or if you're comparing new policies, book a free call with Ditto. Our advisors will walk you through the best options, no spam, no pressure. The link is in the description. In the next episode, we'll break down pre and post hospitalization cover and how to make the most of it. If you found this video helpful, share it with someone who's buying insurance or already has a plan. Let's keep building an insurance-aware India. Up until then, happy insurance hunting.